Guess what? Guess what? I got a challenge for you. Are you ready for your challenge? Because, see, I love y'all because y'all know how to accept a great challenge. And I'm going to give you a plank challenge. Look, make sure you like, make sure you comment in the comment section below, make sure you share, and most importantly, make sure you click the bell. Pew! I'm just saying, click the bell one more time just in case you need to do it again. Pew! Ring the bell and shoot. I'm about to give you your challenge of the day. I'm so excited about coaching you. Look, I train superstars and I'm going to help you look like one too. I've trained everybody from Tony Braxton, Candy Burris, Malaysia Pargo, Duchess Lattimore, Monietta Shaw, the list goes on. But it's not the people in Hollywood that get me the most excited. It's the people from your neighborhood. People like LaRon, who lost 150 pounds on this here program. People like my Milwaukee Brick, Kevia Mystic with it, who lost 50 pounds on this program. So if you're tired of your pooch, tired of your love handles, tired of your back fat, tired of all your roles, including Esther roll, look, I look forward to coaching you. I build bodies that will attract so you'll never have to chase. Small waist, big behind. Let's get you KENYAFIED. What's good? Look, I got a move. It's not even a move of the day, but it's more like a challenge of the day. So, look, before we get started, before I give you your challenge, if you want me to send you a move of the day to your phone, text 313-131. Use the keyword KENYAFIED. Look, and if you want 7 free days of my online workout program, go to Kenya Crooks Network. You'll see 7-day challenge. Click enter now and do just that. Enter now. Boy, if you want to lose 60 pounds in the next 3 months. You want to go poochless. You want to star my reality show, The Young and the Poochless. You want the thick thighs that'll save lives, hypnotized, and you want that booty to sit up and rise. Get the super stomach shredder membership from KenyaCrooksNetwork.com. Make sure you get the membership and not just the one time, so you can get all of the free stuff that comes along with the membership, like the online workout program, and me as your accountability coach, a $3,000 value for only $98 a month. That's barely over $3 a day to be on that program. So look, never be afraid to get finer. Now, let me give you your challenge of the day. Now, I want to do a plank challenge. And in the comment section, tell me how many seconds you're going to hold it for. Either do A, 30, let me do this right, 30 seconds, B, 60 seconds, which is 1 minute, or if you're feeling really, really good, give me C, 2 minutes, boom. So you're going to be as level as possible, and you're just going to hold it. So you can put your phone beside you, put it on the clock, boom, put it on the stopwatch, and just hold it. Again, you ain't going to be here with your booty all up. You want to be as level as possible. You want to suck your stomach in to engage your core and all that other good stuff. So what are you going to do? Put it in the comment section. What are you going to do? 30 seconds, 60, or do you feel real good and you want to go for 2 minutes? Put it in the comment section below. Now, life homework. Produce. That's your word of the day. That's the word of your life. Produce. Don't make excuses. Start producing. I need for you to produce. Everybody always got reasons why they can't do something. I need for you to find the reason why you should do something. Feel me on that, okay? It's so funny because my cousin had posted this morning that she was buying her first home after being in an apartment for 10 years. And again, she has kids, and she's raising them by herself. She has every excuse. She don't have a college degree, but she made a way. She didn't make an excuse. She didn't say, well, I have all of the disadvantages of life, so I might as well just hang it up. I might as well just let the government support me. She didn't do that. She said, you know what? I have an opportunity. I have drive. I have a skill set. So I'm going to use that drive and that skill set, and I'm going to live my best life, and that's what she's doing. Again, I need for you not to find the excuses on why you can't do something, but I need for you to find those reasons on why you should produce. And even in the comment section below, do me this favor. Put the things you're going to produce. I need to see some of the stuff that you pledge to manifest, okay? So put that in the comment section also. What will you produce? What will you manifest? And again, I look forward to reading your comments in the comment section below. But you got your move up today. You got your life homework. So again, we don't participate in life. We dominate life. So let's do just that. Love y'all. Let's have a fantastic day.